Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Marilyn here. I'm so glad that you are joining me today. I have this page, this fall page that I create with the October limited edition kit by My Creative Scrapbook. This month the kit is featuring the Hello Pink Autumn collection by Prima Marketing. And I just sat an evening and I just cut many of these images, the pumpkin, the leaves that you see, the flowers. And from this paper, I cut an image here that I'm going to use as my title. Look, the vellum paper that comes in the kit. I just love this paper and inspired me to create this page today. I'm using this cute photo from Unsplash. And my page today is, I'm going to use a white cardstock. This is a 110 pounds paper, and the first thing that I'm going to do is to prime this paper with I am apply clear gesso. I'm going to use this tool to apply the gesso and cover all my paper. This tool is super fast. You can do it super fast with this tool. Okay, once this is dry, I'm going to bring texture, and this is the unicorn effect paste by Rivera. It has like a flakes inside, and I'm planning to use this. And for the background, I'm going to start with the distress texture paste. This one is with the crackle effect, and I'm going to use this one because it dries. This paste dries super fast. I'm using a stencil from my stuff. This one is from Team Health, and I just love the design of this stencil. And I am trying that this page has some of mixed media, but at the same time looks soft. I want to bring in my page today the fall colors, but in a soft way, if I can say it, because I want to highlight all the beautiful papers that these kits has. But I, instead of use as a background paper with a busy paper to the background, I prefer to use one soft white color and enhance all the images of the collection. Okay, here is almost dry. It needs a little more time to see the crackle effects, but meanwhile I am working with my mat. I use this dye from my stuff that is from Dress My Craft, and I cut this mat that has the scallop and the stitch at the same time, and it fits perfect with my photo. Look how cute looks all the scallop around the photo. And now I'm going to cut a little of the top part because it was too much white. So I'm trying to balance the top with the bottom, and the easy way is to make a cut and attach or adhere this to the back. I am laying all the scallop again, and it will look nice. I will show you. And now the bottom and the top has the same measures. You will see. Okay, once this is ready, now I want to add dimension behind my photo. So I am cutting pieces of cardboard and attach this on the back of the photo just to add dimension, as you see, and it is ready. Here are the different elements that I cut from the paper, and the sweater, whether it's the big one that I show you from the second paper. And I'm going to do the same that I did with the photo, attach a piece of cardboard on the back just to bring the same dimension that the photo has, and it will be on the bottom of my photo, and it is. Now I take a ruler. I just want to be sure that I put the photo and everything in the middle, and I make a mark in the middle, in the top middle of the photo, and the same in the bottom part of the title of my photo, just to have a guide from where to then I'm going to place everything later. Here I'm adding more cardboard behind the title, and now I am adding these cute doilies that I cut from the same white cardstock. These are dye from Dress My Craft that I have, and I cut this doily and I'm attaching them behind the mat of my photo here. And I'm going to do the same in the positive side here. It is not uneven. I am putting this on even. You will see at the end that it's not a specific design, just to place these, the doilies behind the photo. I'm trying to recreate that it is lace, but something that give a delicate and nice look behind the photo. You can use for example, a lace if you have, or anything on the back of the photo. You can see here it's uneven, and I'm going, I think, to separate some of them here to put more uneven that it was. Okay, let me add a little more of adhesive, and I think that I am more happy in this irregular shape now. Okay, I have this. Now I'm going to add another piece of cardboard behind all of this, and this cardboard I'm going to adhere it behind the doilies. So in that way I'm going to give dimension to the top part here where are all the doilies. And once I know that I love how it looks, now I'm going to attach this to the center of the paper. I am following the pencil marks. Here are all the images that I cut out from the papers, and I'm going to start to build my composition using all these images. Look how lovely are the mushrooms. I think the mushrooms I cut it from the ephemera packaging. I just remove all the white border, and now I'm going to mix this with the flowers from the kit. These are from Prima too. I think that they are from the same collection. I'm not sure, but the colors are very similar, and I am playing with creating layers with the flowers, the images. So I am playing here and putting all a set. And now I'm going to use this big flower here between the pumpkin and the title, and I'm just playing, move everything. And now that I am happy how everything looks, I'm going to adhere this off camera. I'm going to use 3D foam tape too. Okay, everything is adhered. Look. And now I just cut these leaves from a die from Dress My Craft. Looks like this one, and I'm just going to cut. I cut the big piece in 4 small one, and these small part are the one that I am attaching now behind the flowers and in between the different layers here in my composition. You will see I will use the hot glue and adhere all this here. And my friends, I have been missing in action, and I know I have many emails, messages from you. Thank you so much for worrying. Well, my father-in-law died, and I had to travel to Puerto Rico. I was so sad, and for me it's so hard to create something with I am sad, and I needed time with my family during this process. But well, I am back. I am here again. But thank you so much to all of you who wrote me and sent me messages. I'm okay now. Okay, now I am adhering the butterflies, and here I adhere this cute heart that is from the chipboards. The butterflies, I cut the butterfly from one of the paper. I am removing now all the threads, the glue threads that it left the hot glue. And now is the fun time for me. Let me show you first. You can see all the dimension that it has. And now I'm going to use the distress ink, the Ranger distress ink. I want to bring a little of shadow around all this. I will start with this paintbrush. This one is from the Rivera, the first that she has or had, because I didn't found it. I am trying to find this brush, but I don't know. I think it are discontinue. Anyway, I am blending with this brush the ink behind all these images. I am trying to create like a shadow around all this work, because in that way I'm going to give more depth to all these layers, but at the same time, because the brush is soft, it will put the ink direct to the crackle effect on the background. You can do it if you like with a, for example, with a color bloom, with a, paint, liquid paint, but I prefer in this way because it brings me this soft shadow around all these textures, and I think the vintage photo is the color perfect because I want to bring the fall autumn colors to my page, but in a soft way. And I can control the colors, how dark or how soft I want this in this way with the ink and the brush. And I continue blending around, as you see, around all the elements that are on my page. I start with the bottom part, that is the title, because in that way is where I want to put more color in behind the title, but at the same time I want to smooth. This is the heart was I put more adhesive here on the heart and the chipboard, the heart. Now I'm going to give another layer of color. I built the first one very soft, and now I'm going with a little dark in some area. You will notice that I'm going to put more color in specific around the photo and in the bottom part, and that's it. Here I think that I am happy how it looks so far, and now I want to bring some glitter effect or sparkle effect on the background. I'm using this sequence that I have from the rest of my craft, and I'm going to put a few of them on the background. I'm using the ones that has the orange, the fall colors like the orange, to make a balance between the jacket, the sweater of the boy and the sequence. And I continue here and there putting some of the sequins. I think that I am okay. Now I'm going to add pearls, and I'm going to add this one with my hot glue, and I'm started to adhere it here and there. And I'm going to adhere also the sequence with the same hot glue. I think it's to move fast with this. You can use gel medium to adhere the sequence or any strong adhesive, but I'm using hot glue. I think that I'm lately using a lot the hot glue. Okay, I add it all over here. And once I finish with the sequence and pearls, now I'm going to add a few of art stone, and I'm using the 3D gloss gel to adhere this art stone in some of the area of the work. And let me tell you that I made 2 more pages using this kit, completely different. I try to make different things with the kit to give you different idea. This one I think is the more delicate of the 3 pages. But I hope that I can show you my other 2 videos soon, because I have video of each of the pages that I made. Okay, this is it. Now I'm going to cover the photo and the title, and I'm going to give white paint splatters. I just love to mix the different textures with the white paint splatters. Love it. And it brings this shabby chic look to the page. And it's almost done. After this, I will give a few layers of this white paint splatter, and let me show you the final result. You can see here the page, how it looks. Here you can see the sequence. Let me show you. Here you can see the sequence, the color, the ink on the background. Look, the foil effect of many of these pieces. Okay, let me put a C. Okay. Oh no, let me show you. I didn't show you the crackle paste. Sorry. Let me try to put this more close to the camera. Check the look. Here is, you can see here. I don't know if you can see through the camera the crackle paste. Well, all my friends, this is my first tutorial with the October limited edition kit. I hope that you like the tutorial, and if you like it, please let me know with a thumbs up. Let me a comment down below what is the part that you most like. And here I'm going to show you the closer photos, and in my social media you can find more photos of this page. Now I'm going to let you right here 2 more videos that maybe you are interested. I hope that it inspired you, and I see you soon with a new video tutorial. Nos vemos, bye bye.